Ek is aan dwelms vir die afgelope 26 jaar verslaaf. Maar die meerderheid van 26 jaar. Ek het in 1985 begin dwelms vat. Ek het met dagga begin tot Mandrex toe gegaan, tot LSD toe. En dan in 1991 het ek begin crack cocaine rook. En van daar af is my lewe 'n gemors. Daar's nie 'n ander woord wat ek kan gebruik nie, maar dit was net 'n gemors. Ek was op die strate, ek het uit asblikke geëet. Ek het 'n familie verloor. Ek is rehabilitasiesentrums toe na 'n hele paar. Die een rehabilitasiesentrum wat ek toe was in die Noord-Kaap waar ek vir die eerste keer van die Here gehoor het. En dis waar my lewe begin so 'n bietjie verander het, maar ek het nooit die pad van die Here gevolg nie wat hy wou hê nie. En toe beland ek op in die tronk. And from then on I realized that I'm going to get sentenced to jail, and that I must know that in Romans 8:28 it says that all things work together for the good for those who love Christ. So I just accepted that I'm going to get sentenced, and that's going to be my life. And then I got released actually through the grace of God. And I'm sitting here now able to tell you that it is only through the grace of God that we can stop drugs. And just by His power, not by any other way, just by believing in Him, we can accomplish this thing. And I've been clean now for quite a while now. I can't really tell you how long, but it's been a while. And it will stay that way as long as I stay in my calling and follow Christ and do things that I'm helping other people and not just myself. Thank you.